Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Oneplus no SIM found, invalid SIM or SIM card failure error. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, swipe down and open quick settings panel, and from here turn on the airplane mode, and after that wait for few seconds and turn it back off. And after doing that, if it doesn't fix your problem, then press and hold your mobile data icon, and here tap on more, and then tap on the SIM which is not working and check if it's enabled or not. So if that SIM was disabled, then if the SIM is disabled, then enable the SIM, and after enabling it will start working properly. But if it's still not working, then take out your SIM from your mobile and clean it with a clean cloth or eraser and insert it again, and then it will start working properly. But if it's still not working, then the last solution is restart your mobile. So to restart, press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. Now after that, swipe up from the center of your mobile to restart, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.